Hello folks, Jay Austin for Woodworking Blues, coming at you from the back of my car. Last time I posted was about a property we just purchased. It has 2 mobile homes on it, both of them mobile homes being in poor condition and needing some work. We bought them to be an investment property and are going to try to rent them out as soon as we can. Our target date was July. This is now June 24th, and we're close, but we still have some ways to go. So instead of working in my shop, which I just had recently built or had built at the new house, we stumbled across a good deal, and that was a property near a lake by us, and we thought we'd take our chances. It was an all-cash deal, and a little bit scary, but also a little exciting. So we jumped right in with both feet, and I go after work sometimes, and my wife goes during the weekend, and we all go on the weekends and make it a team effort. The tribe comes along, and they help out as much as they can as well. So anyhow, this is now pretty much my workshop, the back of my car. I never thought I'd be working on projects this way, but then again, I never thought I'd be a real estate investor either. So here we are. Some of these I take with me, some of these I don't. When I get to the mobile home I'm working on right now, I just pull out what I need, throw it in a bucket or a bag, and take it inside. And no, I certainly do not leave it when I'm done. The neighborhood's fine. I've met the neighbors. They've all promised to keep an eye on the place for me. But I've seen too many construction workers and contractors lose too many tools just by leaving them at the job site. It's too easy, too tempting for some folks. So why give them your tools? So no matter how tired I am at the end of the job, no matter what I've been working on that day, I'll be sure and load them up back here. Now, granted, a lot of these are not high-end tools. You'll see this old grinder there. I've had him probably for 7, 8, 10 years maybe now. Some of the newer DeWalt, all the DeWalts are fairly new. I just started buying name brands. My wife bought me some, or encouraged me to buy some, I should say. And yeah, a lot of screws, a lot of drill drivers, impact driver. That's my favorite, one of my favorites right there, if not my favorite drill. Basic Harbor Freight Special Hercules. I don't know why, but he's been my go-to guy. His battery just lasts forever and ever and ever, and just feels as strong as an ox. Nothing against these guys. This drill driver is really fantastic. No complaints, but I don't know why. I just keep going back to this Hercules. Although I have several, as you can see, DeWalt drills, plus a Hitachi drill. No offense to nobody, and no, I'm not being compensated by anyone for saying that. These folks don't even know I exist. Check my views, you'll see what I mean. So anyway, just wanted to post this, let you guys know what I've been up to. Pretty much working out of the back of my car after my real job. I get off my real job, head out at 4 o'clock, and work there till about dark and come home. And sometimes we're all out there, sometimes it's just me, sometimes just my wife. She's out there right now painting. And I'd love to show you the finished project, or maybe some of the projects we've already done, another video. But right now we are just pressed for time, so that's why we got kind of been staying off the channel for a little while. We're hoping to get back on it pretty soon, get things settled in, and show you what we've done. Folks, if you like this, like, subscribe, comment, and throw us any mobile home repair tips you can. I need all the help I could get. Again, Jay Austin from Woodworking Blues. Keep on woodworking, or keep on mobile home investing. Thanks.